In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate video uploads to YouTube using Zapier. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. Automation can save you tons of time, especially when it comes to uploading videos. With Zapier, linking your Google Drive and YouTube account together is a breeze. Let's walk through the steps you need to take to set this up. First, head over to Zapier's homepage. You'll want to log in or create an account if you don't have one already. It's really straightforward. Just follow the prompts on the website to get going. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard where you can create your automation or Zap. Next, look for the Create button and click on it. This is your gateway to starting a new project. Here, you'll be able to define what you want your Zap to do and how it will work. Once you're in the creation mode, click on the Zaps tab. This is where all of your previous Zaps will be listed, but for now, we want to create a new one. Now it's time to set up your trigger. Click on Trigger, and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose what event will start your automation. In our case, we want to upload a new video whenever a file is added to a specific folder on Google Drive. So go ahead and search for Google Drive in the app selection. After selecting Google Drive, the next step is to choose an event. Click on Choose an Event and select New File. This means that every time a new file is created in the designated folder on Google Drive, it will trigger the Zap. From here, you're moving towards setting the action, so click on Action to specify what you want to happen as a result of that trigger. Just like before, search for YouTube in the app selection and select it. When you click on YouTube, you'll need to choose an event there as well. Click on Choose an Event again, and this time select Upload Video. This is what connects your file upload in Google Drive directly to your uploads on YouTube. After this selection, Zapier will prompt you to sign in to your YouTube account. It's a simple process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to link your accounts and give the necessary permissions. Once you've successfully signed in and have everything connected, you will be taken to a setup menu where you can finalize what happens when a new file is added to your designated Google Drive folder. You can specify things like the title, description, and visibility of the video on YouTube. These details are crucial for making sure your video is set up properly before going live. After you've configured everything to your liking, take a moment to review what you've set up. Once you're satisfied, hit that Continue button. Finally, don't forget to turn on your Zap. Once you do that, your automation will run in the background and upload any new video files from Google Drive directly to your YouTube channel without you having to lift a finger. And that's it. You've done it. Now you can relax knowing that your video uploads are taken care of automatically. Remember, these steps not only save time, but also streamline your content creation process. Happy uploading!